How are you today?
I'm doing good. How are you? Happy New Year, by the way.
Same to you.
Okay, what can I do for you? Well, I am.
Okay, because she's a very good worker.
I know my blogs and everything, so that confirms who I am, right?
Yeah, that's right. That's
Okay,
right.
all right. Okay, Tatang. So I will call you Tatang as well. Okay, so.
Yeah, okay. No problem.
All right. So what can I
Okay.
what can I clarify to you then?
Now, what can we do to get some paperwork and get it going for?
Every foreign national nowadays here inside Canada, regardless of what's your status, if you are a temporary resident permit holder, once it get expires or before the expiration, everybody needs an LMIA. Labor Market Impact Assessment. That's what they call. So in order for her to be able to extend or change her work load or work employer, something like that, they always need an LMIA.
Okay. Okay. We I tell you something. Sometimes I'm not too well educated, you know.
To apply for that, you can either process by yourself or by using a licensed immigration consultant or immigration lawyer. So in order for us to do that, then you will gonna be, if you want to represent, if you want me to represent you as the employer against the ESDC, you have to provide me the highly confidential informations or documentations, which is usually proof of your ability to pay this foreign national, which is your notice of assessment, proof that the place where the person will be working, which is your utility bill, and of course your ID. Those are highly confidential, to be honest, but I need those. You have to entrust me in order for me to work and do my job.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's no problem. I think if you want it, we'll go ahead on that.
That's not a problem. Okay, so what else you want to know?
Yeah.
I believe that your foreign worker used to be a temporary resident permit holder in a seasonal situation. Now, because she is handling or holding a temporary resident permit or work permit, she could be able to get into that LMIA, applying inside to apply for work permit inside Canada. And doing that, in order for her to extend her status, change her employer, or change her job, then she needs an LMIA, which that comes from you. You will gonna be applying an LMIA. If you wanna if you wanna retain somebody which is like me, then I can definitely represent you. Then after that, after we bring out the LMIA, or your foreign worker will be able to work. To apply for her work permit.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. No, once we start, I want you to take care of the whole thing, you know.
I will take care of the whole thing. That's what I've said. This is what I do for a living. Definitely, I can help everyone. Yes.
Oh, okay. Now, from 2020 to 2023, I had workers on my payroll. But 2024, I didn't have any. Does that matter?
If you have, like for example, right now, if you have some foreign workers with that same business payroll number that you have, then there's a restriction that you can only apply for 10% of your workforce. But since you don't have any more, then definitely you can have a foreign national right now without a question. In terms of fees, of course, in terms of the the fees for this foreign national, we need to follow whatever the rate that we are going through. Then after that, but don't worry, I will create all those standard contract. I will be the one to apply for online application for LMIA, and whatever documentation in there, it will be a teamwork. I'll be asking you or your foreign national. If you don't have, if you're busy, then I will reach out to your foreign national. Your foreign national will gonna actually reach out to you. Then we could be able to complete all the documentation, and we can wait for the assessment of the Service Canada officer.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, because the business itself is very good with the government. You know, it doesn't owe the government any money. All the tax, everything was done.
Very good. Yes, that's a good thing.
Yeah.
But always remember this, Tatang, that every documents that we need it should be all updated. Everything has to be updated. So not the old utility bill, not the old notice of assessment, but I need all this updated documentation that we will gonna be sending to the Service Canada.
Okay, yeah.
Awesome.
And the girl that takes care of my tax and the payroll, things like that, she's Filipino too.
Okay, sure. So you can
Okay.
send it to me to my email. That's not a problem. Then I will definitely connect with her and inform you that once I receive all this documentation. Okay.
Yeah, okay, that's no problem at all.
Okay, perfect. So can I is there any more questions, Tatang?
No, right now I got that's what I was worried. That's all. It was about the
Okay.
payroll. And
Let
that's it,
me
but now I got the answer.
yeah. Okay, so can I speak to you?
Okay, now any other information you need, I will be talking tomorrow morning to that want to take care of the tax and the payroll, things like
Okay.
that.
Sure.
And I'll tell her that whenever you give her a call to provide all the information you need.
Yeah, okay, sure. Perfect. Thank
Okay.
you so much.
Okay, no problem. Nice talking to you. There.
Nice talking to you and Happy New Year and good night.
Okay, so thank you. Okay, bye.
Bye-bye.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi. O na, nakausap ko na siya.
Yes,
Tatang.
ma'am.
Mahirap kasi i-pronounce yung pangalan niya, kaya Tatang na lang din, di ba? O, parehas na tayo.
Tatang
But
Alier.
anyway, ano ba yung gusto mong ano bang klaseng ano bang klaseng LMIA ang gusto mo?
Ma'am, yung para sa PR na, live-in caregiver, like that.
Okay. Okay. LMIA process should be paid by the employer, not the employees. So that's why I'm
Yeah.
saying I will be creating a service agreement, which is you will gonna be the one to sign, not the foreign national. Then when it comes to work permit, then it will gonna be the foreign national. But this time we still have to go through the LMIA before going for the work permit. So let's focus on one thing, and that's what I'm going to do. Okay.
Yeah, that's right. That's no problem.
All right. Okay then.
Oh,
Not a problem.
okay.
Thank you,
Yes, ma'am.
Tatang. I appreciate your time. You're so kind.
you.
Thank you for caring.